The present environmental change and natural worries, desperation and aggregate activity. Environmental change and ecological worries have arisen as major problems within recent memory, catching worldwide consideration and rousing pressing activity. Today, we end up at a basic crossroads where the results of our activities are turning out to be progressively clear. In this article, we will investigate a portion of the critical difficulties and drives encompassing environmental change and natural supportability that are standing out as truly newsworthy today. Raising effect of environmental change. The effect of environmental change is presently evident, with its belongings appearing in outrageous climate occasions, climbing temperatures, and natural disturbances. Heat waves, typhoons, floods, and out-of-control fires are turning out to be more continuous and extraordinary, unleashing ruin on networks and environments. The direness to alleviate and adjust to these progressions has become vital. Calls for environmentally friendly power progress. To battle environmental change, there is a developing worldwide development to progress away from petroleum derivatives towards sustainable power sources. Sun-oriented, wind, hydroelectric, and geothermal power are getting forward movement as feasible choices that can decrease ozone-harming substance discharges. The push for sustainable power isn't just determined by natural worries, yet additionally the potential for work creation and energy autonomy. Preservation and biodiversity security. Safeguarding biodiversity and safeguarding biological systems are crucial parts of tending to natural worries. Endeavors are being made to ration and re-establish regular environments, defend jeopardized species, and advance feasible land and water. The board rehearses. Saving biodiversity is significant for keeping up with the sensitive equilibrium of biological systems and guaranteeing the drawn-out well-being of the planet. Manageable practices and roundabout economy. The idea of manageability has pervaded different areas, from agribusiness and assembling to transportation and development. Economical practices underscore diminishing waste, preserving assets, and advancing a round economy that limits ecological effect. Reusing, upcycling, and eco-accommodating developments are building up forward momentum as people, organizations, and legislatures embrace the ethos of manageability. Worldwide environment arrangements. Worldwide collaboration is fundamental for tackle environmental change, as proven by global environment arrangements like the Paris Understanding. These arrangements mean to restrict a dangerous atmospheric deviation and cultivate joint effort among countries to lessen discharges and advance environment strength. Be that as it may, guaranteeing the satisfaction of these responsibilities and accomplishing substantial outcomes stay continuous difficulties. Individual and aggregate activity. Tending to environmental change and natural worries requires both individual and aggregate activity. Residents are progressively requesting responsibility from states and partnerships, partaking in fights, and pushing for strategy changes. Feasible way-of-life decisions, like diminishing individual carbon impressions, have likewise acquired prominence as people endeavor to have a beneficial outcome. The present environmental change and ecological worries request quick consideration and coordinated endeavors from all areas of society. The results of inaction are extensive and influence the regular world as well as human livelihoods, well-being, and people in the future. By embracing environmentally friendly power, preservation endeavors, supportable practices, and worldwide collaboration, we can cooperate to moderate the impacts of environmental change and make a more feasible and versatile planet. Each individual plays a part to play, and by making strides towards positive change, we can, all things considered, shape a superior